Let's learn some colors. Red color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, dark blue color.